Every financial institution must follow strict regulations to prevent fraud, money laundering, and financial crimes. But managing compliance manually is slow, complex, and expensive. That's where RegTech comes in. RegTech, short for regulatory technology, refers to the use of advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, and big data analytics to help organizations comply with financial regulations efficiently and automatically. It transforms traditional compliance processes into real-time, automated, and data-driven systems. Financial regulations are increasing every year. Companies must monitor transactions, verify customer identities, and detect suspicious activities. RegTech helps by automating compliance monitoring, detecting fraud using AI, reducing operational costs, improving transparency and accuracy. This allows organizations to stay compliant while focusing on innovation. Modern RegTech solutions use several cutting-edge technologies. Artificial intelligence analyzes large volumes of financial data to identify unusual patterns. Machine learning improves fraud detection over time. Blockchain ensures secure and transparent transaction records. And cloud computing enables scalable regulatory reporting systems. Together, these technologies create smart compliance ecosystems. RegTech is widely used in anti-money laundering, AML, monitoring, Know Your Customer, KYC identity verification, automated regulatory reporting, real-time risk management. These systems help regulators and financial institutions respond faster to financial threats. As financial ecosystems become more digital, RegTech will play a critical role in AI-driven compliance, real-time monitoring, and global financial transparency. It represents the future of smart, technology-enabled regulation. And that's RegTech in under 2 minutes.